Here are 7 steps to manifest anything fast. 1. Start by getting clear on what you desire. Spend some time journaling, meditating, or brainstorming to identify exactly what you want. 2. Create a strong and empowering belief system. Your beliefs will shape your reality, so it's important to believe that you can manifest your desires quickly. 3. Take inspired action. Once you know what you want, take steps towards it. This could be researching, networking, or taking small steps towards your goal. 4. Use visualization and affirmations to reinforce your desired outcome. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already in possession of your desire. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself such as "I am manifesting my desires quickly and easily." 5. Let go of attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe will bring you what you desire in the perfect timing and in the perfect way. 6. Stay open to receiving. Be ready to receive your manifestation when it comes. It may come in unexpected ways or at unexpected times, so be open to all possibilities. 7. Lastly, be patient. Manifestation takes time, so be patient and continue to work towards your goal while trusting that it will come to fruition.